Hey everyone, get ready for an exciting journey. We're embarking on a 52-week interior design challenge. That's right, a whole year dedicated to transforming our homes into the spaces we've always dreamed of. Imagine a home that reflects your personality, a place where comfort and style blend seamlessly. Over the next year, we'll tackle one design element each week. Get ready for DIY projects, creative inspiration, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just starting out, this challenge is for everyone. We'll explore different styles, experiment with colors and textures, and discover the joy of creating a home that truly speaks to us. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your living space? Let's dive in. My heart skips a beat when I envision my dream home. I see a cozy yet chic space filled with natural light. Shiplap walls, of course, warm wood tones and vintage finds add character. I picture comfy sofas draped in soft throws, perfect for curling up with a good book. A large farmhouse table, ideal for family gatherings and game nights. And let's not forget a touch of greenery. Plants breathe life into a space. Imagine open shelves displaying cherished family photos and vintage treasures. This is my happy place, a reflection of everything I love. Let's face it, we all encounter design challenges, budget constraints, lack of inspiration, the fear of making a design mistake. But fear not, these obstacles are surmountable. Start by setting a realistic budget and stick to it. Get creative with DIY projects. They can be budget-friendly and add a personal touch. Pinterest and design blogs are treasure troves of inspiration. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and textures. Start small, like adding throw pillows or a statement rug. Remember, design is a journey, not a race. Now let's talk specifics. I'm itching to tackle some exciting projects. First up, knocking down that wall between the kitchen and dining room to create an open and airy space. Open shelving will display my collection of vintage dishes. Next, the master bedroom. I'm envisioning a serene oasis with a neutral color palette, layered textures, and statement lighting. Think cozy knit blankets, a plush rug, and maybe a chandelier over the bed. This is just a glimpse into my design plans. Now it's your turn. Share your dream home ideas, design dilemmas, and DIY triumphs. I can't wait to see what you create.